Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I'm going to show you the typical engine room looks like. I will do my daily runs and I'm going to bring you down on the engine room. So let's go. Now we're going down to the second deck, but before that, we'll wait in our service. It is useless if the elevator here on the ship if I'm not going to use it. Right? Alright. Engine control room is a place where engineers and other personnel monitor and control the ship's engine and other critical systems. Engine control room, or ECR, is the ship's nerve center where all the critical systems are monitored and controlled. The primary function of this room is to monitor and control the propulsion system, which includes the engines, shafts, propellers, and other related equipment that allows for efficient operation of the vessel and safe navigation at sea. Control room also monitors other essential systems such as fuel tanks, oil levels, temperature readings, and fire alarms. Furthermore, the engine control room manages power distribution throughout the ship. That includes monitoring generators and ensuring that all electrical systems are running efficiently. Next is proceed to the engine room. Engine room is the compartment where the machinery for marine propulsion is located. Now let's go to the first floor for the boiler. Auxiliary boiler is the pressure vessel used on ships in which water is heated to evaporate and generate steam, and the unit is so arranged that the generated steam is accumulated in it. Cooling freshwater expansion tank is a small tank used for cooling purpose in the ship's main engine. Waste oil fan. Scrubber, designed to remove the polluting sulfur oxides from a ship's engine exhaust. IG blower, acts as a supplier of inert gas to cargo holds of the ship. Oxygen analyzer, designed to accurately monitor and control the content of oxygen in inert gas systems to enhance vessel safety, thus protecting cargo ships and crew. Elevator machinery room. RGS deck water seal, which permits inert gas to be delivered to the vent main that prevents any backlog cargo gas, even when the inert gas plant is shut down. Air conditioning unit room. Air conditioning system. Supply air to the accommodation and warehouse. It is control of the temperature and humidity with preparation, filtering, and refreshing of the air. Incinerator is a machinery in which we burn all types of waste generated and burned, unlike the waste oil, oil rods, and sometimes deli waste. Waste oil tank, specifically designed to store waste oil mainly from engine fuel, oil purifier, and cooking oil. Low sulfur cylinder oil storage tank. Cylinder oil storage tank. Freshwater tank, used for distributing fresh water to accommodation stations for drinking, cooking, and for washing. Boiler water circulating tank. Hypermist tank. High expansion foam tank. Steering gear provides the movement of the rudder in response to a signal from the bridge to steer the ship. Hydraulic oil storage tank, used to store winches oil. Steering gear oil storage tank, used as a storage tank to receive bulk oil. Hydraulic oil service tank. Emergency fire pump, play a vital role to extinguishing the fire. Air compressor, used to compress air and store it in tanks for various uses. Distillate water tank. Drinking water tank. Generator DO pump. Low sulfur DO service tank. DO service tank. Exhaust gas economizer is an efficient and economical solution for exhaust gas heat recovery. Main engine lube oil storage tank. Main engine lube oil settling tank. Generator lube oil settling tank. Generator lube oil storage tank. Fuel oil additive tank. Antiseptic tank. Boiler FO settling tank. Fuel oil service tank. Fuel oil settling tank. Sewage treatment plant, a place where sewage is cleaned so that it is not harmful or dangerous to the environment. So let's go down to the third floor. Drinking water hydrofor tank. Freshwater hydrofor tank. Diesel generator, designed to provide electrical power for the ship's propulsion system, lighting and other electrical systems while at sea. Auxiliary air reservoir. Main air reservoir is a large container acting at high pressure compressed air supplied by main air compressor of the ship. Cascade tank. Drain cooler enables reuse of dumping steam and steam generated from various auxiliary components as well as saturated water through condensation. Main feed water pump. TGE feed water pump. Soot collecting tank. When the economizer tube washing is done, the soot water is collected in a soot collecting tank. Next, let's go inside to the purifier room. Generator FO third strainer. Generator FO second strainer. Boiler flow meter. Auxiliary boiler FO heater. Used to heat a fuel oil and lubricant oil for ships by using the steam generated from boiler. Auxiliary boiler FO burning pump. Auxiliary FO heater. Heater bricks, the viscosity are provided with individual expansion to provide provision to compensate change in volume and maintaining positive pressure. Auxiliary FO supply pump. Auxiliary FO circulating pump. Main engine FO third stream. Main FO circulating pump. Lobe oil purifier. Lobe oil purifier heater. Increase oil temperature up to the degree which helps purification of lubricant oil used in engine. Main engine fuel oil heater. Fuel oil purifier. Fuel oil purifier heater. Heavy fuel oil purifier feed pump. Main engine FO second strainer. Main engine flow meter. Fuel oil supply pump. Purifier. Arranged to separate water and solid impurities from oil. IGS dumping control valve. Central cooling freshwater pump. Central cooling freshwater cooler. Main engine is the heart of the ship, are used to turn the ship's propeller and move the ship through the water. Main engine turbocharger. It reuses the exhaust gases in order to increase the overall efficiency of the engine. Main engine auxiliary blower. Provide adequate pressure of flushing air for a safe start-up of ship engine. Main engine air cooler. Is to reduce the air inlet temperature, thereby increasing the air density, thus giving an increase in engine efficiency. Main engine jacket heater. Freshwater generator is a device which is used to convert seawater to freshwater in a ship. Jacket cooling freshwater pump. Main engine lobe oil cooler. Main engine lobe oil strainer. FO and LO sludge tank. Ballast pump. Cargo oil pump turbine. Olive oil tank. Main engine emergency operation local site. Generator overflow tank. Next, let's proceed to the lower floor. Intermediate shaft bearing. Stern tube forward seal oil tank. Forward bilge well. Stern tube lube oil tank. Stern tube lube oil pump. Scavenging box drain tank. Bilge tank. Flywheel. Air cooler chemical clean tank. Lube oil purifier feed pump. Main cooling seawater pump. MGPS. Distilled plant ejector pump. Lube oil transfer pump. DO transfer pump. Fuel oil transfer pump. COPT circulating pump. FO overflow tank. COPT condenser pump. Main engine lube oil pump. Main engine sump tank. IGS pump. Fire bilge pump. Fire bilge and ballast pump. Aft port side bilge well. Booster pump. Aft starboard side bilge well. High suction sea chest. Clean drain tank. Sludge pump. Bilge separated oil tank. Oily water separator. It is used to separate oil and water mixtures into their separate components. Bilge pump, bilge service pump. Turning gear. Thrust bearing. Main engine crankcase. Bilge primary tank. And welcome to workshop. Usually the places to store various hand tools, portable power tools, instruments, and spares. And store.
Finally, we're finished. Let's drink some of water. Kasi sobrang mainit at pawis na pawis talaga ako ng guys. Nakakahuwaw, nakaka-drain. Guys, kaya kailangan natin maraming tubig sa katawan. Tignan niyo mukha ko guys, so haggard, pero pogi pa rin. Char. And now, let's go back to the CR.
So ayun guys, tapos na tayo mag-ikot at saka mag-familiarize ng mga machineries on board. Hopefully, meron kayo natutunan sa video na ito, especially sa mga aspiring seafarers out there. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you for the next video. Bye!